Hi guys, welcome to ShareVision channel. Today I'm going to explain about two stocks related to Reliance Power as well as Suzlon Energy. Both are energy sector, so that I'm taking this opportunity for these two stocks. Day-to-day basis, these two stocks are increasing volume as well as price. So that I'm taking analysis for this video. I hope this video will be useful for retail traders, especially small investors. So please watch it till the end, then only you can get the good idea about these stocks. So is it right time to buy? Let's watch it till the end. So before that, I request you to all people, please subscribe my channel and support to me. Most of the peoples are not subscribed and watching this video. Every video I have uploaded almost 32 videos but not increased my subscriber. Please support to me. This kind of videos I will be try to do in everyday basis. Please subscribe and support to me my channel. Okay, let's go now directly to the video. Before that, I'm not a disclaimer. I'm not a SEBI registered person, but I'm sharing my knowledge and awareness purpose only, as well as the education purpose for this video. So show to you all. Let's go directly to the video. One of my Tamil channel asked one subscriber, Reliance Power long term buy panalama. Please advise me. He asked me, Reliance Power is will ready to buy now. So please advise me like this. He asked me. So so that I'm taking this opportunity for this video making, as well as hello sir, Mr. Mariappan. Hello sir, Suzlon Energy got one project in Gujarat and recently their stock value is going up, but still their book value is negative. Please tell about their stock analysis. So that I'm taking this opportunity to show you like a retail trader, like a kind of small investors. So let's go now directly to the video. So main thing we have to note out here, promoter holding. So Reliance promoter holding is only 9.06 percentage and foreign investor 2.15 percentage and 4.26 is the domestic institutional. Balance are public only having 84.53 percentage. So it is in hand, most of the shares in public hand. So watch it. So this is promoter having a only less quantity of 9.06 percentage. So this one is noted down. And Suzlon Energy, same like Reliance Power, equally they are most of the peoples are having a retail trader 62 point like public 62.08 and domestic investor institution 16.53 compared to here little bit more, and 4.22 is the foreign investor compared to here little bit more, and promoter is 17.17. So compared to here little bit more. So we have to note out these two things, as well as we have to check the fundamental basic fundamentals. I'm not showing a more fundamental, basic fundamental I'm showing here. So because of the lengthy video will not wish to anyone, so that I'm taking a I try to do complete within 10 minutes or 12 minutes, so that I'm taking a basic fundamentals. So Suzlon Energy here 7.35 currently trading, and mid cap company. So this current market capital price is 6,500 crore and PB ratio not mentioned, and 12 months trailing PE ratio also not mentioned, and ROE is zero, showing zero. So these kind of things happen due to which any company having a negative financial report, so they are not having showing the PB ratio and PE ratio as well as ROE. So we can understand this company financially weak. So we can understand the financially weak of this company, even though last year performed 122.73 crore earned, and net profit showing minus 2,691 crore, and net sales is 2,972 is a net sales. Debit to equity, we have to see the debit to equity is most important, minus 0.88. These things we have to note it out, and because this is the most important. If suppose this company here showing only negative, negative, that means very financial weak condition. That is showing here minus 0.88. See here, Reliance Power compared to here 9.95 price is running trading and percentage 4.74. It is also mid cap company. They are 2,791 crore capital, market capital. Trailing balance, trailing 12 months trailing PE ratio 12.13 and PB ratio 0.20. ROE is 1.86. Compared to this Suzlon Energy, I think this is better than Suzlon Energy because they have lot of improvement happened here, as well as compared to Suzlon Energy, the Reliance Power is increased. So we can understand that Reliance Power is, I think it is good apart from Suzlon Energy. 1 year perform 352 crore increase, net profit 4,453 and net sales is 7,934. So debit to equity ratio 1.68. So compared to here at least plus 1.68, here minus 0.88. We have to compare these two things. So most important thing is debit to equity ratio. Even though they are having a lot of financial problem, although it is reduced day to day, year on year, reduce their debit to equity. So lot of improvement in Reliance Power. So finally it has been concluded 1.68. So my opinion of view this, compared to Suzlon Energy, Reliance Power is fundamental little bit high, so that you can use your money to invest or trade short term trading or long term trading for these two stocks with your own analysis, as well as consider my view of opinion. And we can go through the technical analysis, directly go to the video. So I am taking here Reliance Power day time frame. See here, bullish trend is happening here. Bullish trend, bullish signal given hammer pattern, hammer candle formed like yesterday, today. So bullish pressure is also more high this stock. So it may go up to 11.70. First target it will be touch at 11.70. Second target 14.45 and third target 17.20. So until that, don't wait. So if every target level if crossed above this level, you can continue. Otherwise, if any take reversal, please get out from these stocks because weak financial problem. So that I'm saying. So generally you can keep your stop loss at, I think 7.50 in my view. You will keep your stop loss and don't invest more money in these two companies. My personal opinion, you have a surplus money, like a retail trader having any surplus money, you can invest this at least 5,000 or 3,000 like money only you can invest this stock. Day to day after this breakout only you can continue. Otherwise you can exit from these stocks. So don't invest more money. That is my repeated suggestion. And we can go through now Suzlon Energy. See here, Suzlon Energy day to day volumes also very increased because of due to recently got order in Gujarat and other location, so that it is increased price value and volume also. So now currently market traded at 7.35, so closed at 7.35. Now it may reach at 8.10, 8.10 rupees. First target, second target 9 rupees, third target 9.8 rupees. So you have to wait very patient these kind of stocks to invest the money. And also we have to watch it this location. See here, last year 2021, this year 2021 January, it is traded up to this level 8.45. After that it has been fall down, so that we have to consider the 8.45. This point 8.45 is the uh, very important level, so that you have to keen monitor also required. If uh, if cross about the 8.45, you can continue to hold the stock. Otherwise you can exit from the stock. You keep your stop loss at 6.50. So I hope this video will be understand. Most of the person don't invest more money this kind of stocks, even though same suggestion I am giving to you. If you having a surplus money, you can invest this kind of stock, otherwise don't invest. 5,000 maximum 5,000 or 10,000 you can invest, otherwise don't invest more money this kind of stocks, because whenever this kind of stocks will be fall down because of weak very financial fundamental is very poor. So that I'm it is my opinion. Take care. That's all guys, my video. So I hope you enjoy this video and understand about all these two stocks details of fundamental and technical analysis. Please support to me and subscribe this channel and press the like button. Thanks for watching. Let's see next video in upcoming days. Thank you.